quality.
Alright everybody, this is going to be the first episode of MOZ Zombies. MOZ stands for Master of Zombies, and which that's me. So, first episode, MOZ Zombies. As you can see, and my mic is not working. When I went to charge it, it's a Bluetooth, so when I went to charge it, I jammed it in too far in, so I wouldn't charge it. Shut up. No, Mike, no. Mike, heck no. Because I don't want to, Mike. Sorry, that's
Running low on ammo. I have no ammunition.
Darn, I need max ammo. So, we're going to be doing this a lot. So this is my first episode of MOZ Zombies. Damn, y'all ain't need a zombie.
I can hit more than one at a time. Whatever. Even a blind squirrel is right.
Where's all the zombies again? Y'all even playing, you big son of a bitch? Y'all even playing? You only got one person playing? Come on, motherfucker. Come on, bring it on.
Back up.
So, I'm gonna be doing this so much.
Double points.
This is our first episode of
This is
MOZ
proper
Zombies.
socialist reform. Oh, it hurts, doesn't it?
MOZ CODs. Oh, it's gonna be MO. Yeah, got it. So, first episode going on, and I'm guessing the last one. I don't know. Am I? Just how much money? So much. If I close the door, I'm the last one. Yes, I am. Darn.
Running low on ammo.
Come on. God, look at you. You don't know how to walk.
Oh, your karma has improved.
You look like a big raggedy face. Oh yeah, you, Mr. Hair Zombie. You don't look good. I know who made you. Sarah. Savannah made you.
It jiggles.
Shit.
It jiggles. I know it jiggles.
Help me up.
Hey, where is all the ammo at?
Help me up.
Did the voices tell you to save me?
You need a shave. You need a mustache. You got a mustache. You got a cream mask. Oh my god. I'm gonna shave you. What's that?
Insta kill.
Hey, that's the go.
No more talk tonight. Die, my pretty. Die.
Oh, I died. Hey, what's the deal? Yes, we made it to round 3. $1,000, okay. Man, I really want to get there. That's what I really want to get. Where's the next door? Where's I got my money? Hopefully.
Eat me. Just tripped.
Man, where's the duck?
You choke me, Jack! You left your arm behind! So they got a little while. Why? The honor cannot be taken.
Oh, Jesus.